where we were before Brexit happened, I think most of our chicken was from Holland.
Mm-hmm.
Most of the chicken and most of the chicken that they were selling in the wholesale range were normally halal anyway. So they have the halal stamp on it, and you would find that the suppliers of this chicken were going to, all of the restaurants. So I think everybody was ordering the same. You ordering the same brand of chicken and the same companies, and years ago that wasn't accessible here in England. Halal food now is very accessible. There is everywhere you can find halal stuff. When I was growing up, it wasn't like that. We had one small shop. You would come, to one area from where I live. You would travel maybe 1 hour to come here, and you would do your whole month's supply of shopping because you're not going to keep coming every day, and because there wasn't anywhere that you could get it.
So what about
But
the Indian dishes now? How famous is that in
Indian
England?
food is the number one most famous, chicken tikka masala is a dish which has been voted number one in England.
That's what I wanted to know. So therefore, what I heard was correct. I know that I
Yeah.
came across that somewhere.
Yeah, it's the most popular food in England. Everybody loves curry, and there are so many restaurants. They contribute to 12 point something billion pound of the economy. And there is always you can go to a place and you'll find, three, four Indian restaurants in a very close-knit area, and they will all be busy because they're all doing very well.
And how do the people in England, and I mean the British whites especially, how do they consider this Indian spices from a healthy point of view?